Hello everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm down at the allotment again, and what I'm going to be doing today, I brought around a load of mulch. It was hard work, but I needed it for my floor in my polytunnel, which I'm going to be finishing off. I'm just waiting for some clips now. It's just been a pain in the neck with that polytunnel. Building your own DIY one, I should have just brought one. It most probably would have been a lot quicker and everything would have been there than going backwards and forward sourcing stuff. So I brought around this morning. This is for the flooring. Going to be spreading it out over this area, so I've got a nice area coming out of my greenhouse into the polytunnel. It's just good, want it all flat and all neat. So that's what I've done this morning. I've got my brassicas, my cabbages, my spinach and my chard and that to plant. So this is bed number 2 what I've allocated for those. So as you can see, the grass is just getting on my nerves down there now. Don't know what I'm going to be doing with that grass. I might have to see if I can get a few loads of that and then spread it over the whole thing. That will be my quicker solution and my better solution to that, but we'll have to see how that goes as the season goes on. So I've got my hoe and I'm going to go along the side and just get out all these stinging nettles and stuff like that, and then I'm going to dig it over, and once I've dug it over I'll be back with you. Right everyone, so I've got the bed dug over, just trying to level it off as best as I can, looking for any of these long weeds what get on my nerves, but to try and get out as many as I can. So that's the bed dug over, and what I've done as well, I've also put in some closhy hoops, because I'm going to cover this over once I've dug it in, put a netting over it to protect it from the birds and everything. So I've put in one at each end already, which is just the polycar pipe. Some of it was here when I came, so I'm just using that for the ends. So I've put it in as firm as I can, and I've pressed it, dug a hole down so it goes down right in, and then I've put it in so that they're quite stable. Pushed it in down into the earth in the hole, and then filled it in and wedged that in. So right now I'm going to start getting my brassicas in, because the weather's not looking good. So I'm going to show you in a minute what plants I've got, so I'll be back with you in a sec. Right everyone, so these are what I'm going to be putting in this bed. I've got some Swiss chard bright lights. I've got cabbage mix selection of cabbage. This is a mixed one. I don't know what kinds are in there, but it's saying mix. This is a cauliflower. I've never had any luck with cauliflowers, but I thought I better just try it down here and see what happens, because when I grow it at home it always turns purple. This is some broccoli. This is spinach, and this one is another cabbage, calibos cabbage. So I'm going to get these in, then get the cover on, and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everyone, so I've got in 3 rows of cabbages so far. Sorry about the aeroplane. We get a lot of that down here. So don't know if I've put them giving them space to grow. So I'm just putting some bloodfish and bone around, good old chicken manure pellets, and a little bit of Epsom salt, getting them nicely buried so that when I finish I can water them. Right, so that's 3 rows. And what I want to do now, I want to get my other pipe in, which is going right up here, so that I can get the cloche in. So I'm going to be planting in between that as well. So that's just getting the rest in, and then I'm going to just give that a good treading in so that it's firm. So that's one hoop in. Then the next hoop I'm going to be putting about here, and then the netting's going to go over it. So that's what's happening down there today. Just getting these rest in. Got those ones in already. Let my cameraman zoom round. Just got 3 rows in, and I've left enough gap for them to come through, so hopefully they should be alright. So I'm going to carry on with this, and I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everyone, so we've got all my plants what I want to get in for today. So I'm just putting down some pellets. Just putting down some slug pellets just in case, because it's brassicas, so I don't want them coming and helping themselves to everything when we're not here. So I've put down some slug pellets for them. I've seen a few about, but not a lot. So that's the slug pellets gone down. So right now what I want to do now is put on the netting. So I'm going to bring this right over. I think I might have cut the ends a bit short. It's just getting it on the right. Once you get it on there, you should be all right. Is that a bit high? Can't even see now. Once you move everything just goes out of place again. So I think I cutted it a bit short. Gonna do this. So if you like this video, please remember to like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave any comments, leave them in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. And I hope you all enjoying the content that we're putting out, because I know it's people are watching but you're not subscribing. We need you not only to watch but to subscribe to the channel as well. It helps us to build and bring you better content. So I hope you just press the notification bell if you want to see our future videos, what's coming out. We're going to be posting some videos on Wednesdays as well, just to give you a little bit more to watch. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care of yourself. Bye for now.